Hi, this is Jason from Sports Zone Toys and Comics. Today we're going to review and open up this 2022-23 Revolution basketball. So Revolution basketball this year is going to release Wednesday. We're going to review it now, and then it'll be on our sale, on our site for sale tomorrow, which is sportzoneToysComics.com, where you can get your box. This is a very inexpensive release, and it's on there that you can order today, and we'll send it out tomorrow for you, so you have it on release day. You're going to get 5 cards a pack, 8 packs per box. You're going to be guaranteed 4 rookies, 4 inserts, and 8 parallels per box on average. So if we look at the back here, you can zoom in. This is going to be a 150 card set, including 100 base and 50 rookies. You can also look for the randomly inserted inserts like the Astro, Groove, Fractal, Galactic. Those are variations. Your base Impact, Cosmic, Sunburst, Future, Flame, Cubic, and Lava. So, and then these are some of the other things that you can get in this box. So lots here. Honestly, a lot. Hopefully we'll get to send a PSA. We're ready to send those Prism basketball cards in with the Revolution. They're pretty cheap right now, $20 a card to grade. You can stop in with those and we will clean them and send them in for you. Let's check these out. So we got a Johnny Davis right off the top. Evan Mobley. Whoa, look at this. Auto, first pack. Jerry Stackhouse of the Pistons. That's pretty wild. Very cool. Franz Wagner and a Trae Young. So off to a flying start. If you wondered if they had autographs, the answer is yes, they do. Very cool. All right, we got our first rookie there. Let me just check. I don't think there was a rookie in the first pack, no. All right. And that was an insert Vortec of Johnny Davis. So we got Malik Williams, Karl Anthony Towns, Jalen Suggs, and Jalen Green, rookies from last year's class. This year we're looking for all the Chet Holmgrens and Paolo Bancheros of the world. Lots of cool cards out there in those guys. And this next guy up, Jaden Ivey. Look at that, one's awesome. Very cool. Nice insert. Zach LaVine, Gordon Hayward, Donovan Mitchell, Tyler Herro. Just broke his hand last night. I don't think we'll be seeing him rest of the playoffs. The Heat look pretty good too. Alrighty. Our next rookie up, Ty Washington. We got another one, and you can see there's the difference in the cards. So here we have an Astro, and there's your base. So if you were wondering what some of the different levels looked like, there you go. Evan Mobley, Chris Middleton, Andrew Wiggins. The Revolution packs a punch for inexpensive cards. Oh, Jalen Williams having a really good rookie year. Shockwave insert. Cool card. Michael Porter Jr., Jeremiah Grant, Michael Porter Jr., Zach LaVine. Next pack up, we got a Christian Braun rookie. Not bad. Brogdon Bogdanovic. Now you'll notice that is a Groove parallel. Davion Mitchell, Josh Giddey is playing really well lately. coming off that rookie campaign, Miles Turner. All right, last one up here. Wendell Moore Jr. rookie. Oh, look at this. Anthony Simons, numbered to 149 impact. We got Kyrie Irving, Jaren Jackson Jr., and a De'Aaron Fox. So this was the 2022-23 Panini Revolution Basketball. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to go to our website to buy one. Check us out on Facebook, Instagram. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.